Welcome to the Cash Flow Optimizer. To get started, you will need to visit the CFO application either on the website at app.riskflow.net or via the RiskFlow CFO application, which can be downloaded via the app stores on an Android or Apple device. You have two options, CFO4i and CFO4b. Click on the Register link on the Navigation tab and complete the registration form. If you have a voucher number, you can add it or leave the field blank to register for a free 14-day trial period. You don't pay yet. Register for the 14-day free trial period to explore the app and its functionality. Should you need support for your CFO, contact us at cfosupport@riskflow.com. Click Register to continue. A pop-up notice will appear thanking you for your registration. You will also receive registration confirmation via email. To activate your account, click the link in the confirmation email. Once you have clicked on the Verify link in the email you have received, you will be directed to the website login. To continue, you should enter your email and password. Welcome to the CFO application. You are done. You can even share your app details by clicking on Share. Here you can enter the email address of those who you would like to share your information. You can also change your share privileges. Another feature. You can clear all your data by pressing the recycle icon. Take note that once you have used this function, all your existing numbers will be deleted and you will not be able to recover them again. Now you are ready to experience a unique tool, highlighting tomorrow's risks today.